Hey Jaguars, I just wanted to take a minute to introduce you to my Counselor Connection Canvas page and to give you a few tips on how to use it. So one of the things you have to do first is to log on Canvas. When you log on Canvas, you should see a screen that looks like this on the dashboard where it says Jefferson Counselor CC, or that stands for Counselor Connection. If you do not see that on your Canvas page, you will need to email me at rmann, R-M-A-N-N, at k12k.com and request me to add you to my Canvas page. But then once you see this, then you will click on it and it will take you to my home page, which looks like this. Now the pretty cool thing about my home page is you can click on all of these different kinds of places and it will take you to new pages in my classroom. So I hope you'll enjoy exploring lots and lots of things that are hidden behind all these links. But also when you're on Canvas, you can see over to the side a word that says modules. If you'll select the word modules, it will also take you to a place where you can look at many lessons that I've done before in Counselor Connection, or it will take you to some other different places of learning. So know that's another place to get to some information. And I will update those often, so you can always come back and look. But I also wanted to show you that there are some of my favorite links that you can always go looking for information. So I have here for you my man's reading room, and you can click on that and it will take you to a room where I have several different libraries set up, and you just click on that topic and it'll open up a reading room with lots of books to choose from on that topic, and you just click on the book and the book will read aloud to you. So some great resources there for you. Also, if your family is needing some extra help in our community, you can click here on the family resources and it will take you to some links that will get you connected to people in our community to maybe get you some of that extra help or support that you need. Also, sometimes we need to be in contact with mental health agencies, and so if you'll click here, it gives you lots of information on how to get connected to those people in our community. So just wanted to kind of give you a quick update on how this works. And every time you open up a new page in my classroom, there's lots of things to click on. So have fun exploring. This can keep you busy for hours. So hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions, once again, just reach out to me through your Canvas email. You can reach out to me through filling out one of the forms of Miss Mann, I need to talk to you, or you can call me at my phone number 378-2280.